Embrace the power of ISO Management Review, your path to quality excellence. What if you could transform your operations with one simple step? ISO Management Reviews hold the secret. By structuring and refining your business processes, you can unlock efficiency, compliance, and consistent growth. Use our general-purpose management review templates to get started. It's your path to quality. ISO reviews aren't just bureaucratic checkboxes, they're the backbone of successful businesses. They help track performance, boost innovation, and ensure quality standards. With our tailored templates, you can make these high-level processes accessible, actionable, and impactful, no matter your industry or expertise level. Navigating ISO standards can feel overwhelming. That's where our template system shines. Designed for clarity and ease, our tools simplify goals like customer satisfaction measurement and corrective actions. Plus, they come preloaded with educational resources and prompts to ensure a smooth start, even if you're new to ISO practices. Imagine having a blueprint for success. Our kit includes slides for strategic discussions and a customized tracker for meeting minutes. These features save time, reduce errors, and align your teams toward shared goals. It's not just about compliance, it's about fueling your organization's potential. The results speak for themselves: higher efficiency, consistency, and customer trust. As you conduct periodic reviews, you'll identify priorities, focus on impactful changes, and watch your organization thrive. These structured steps make your journey toward ISO compliance seamless and rewarding. Whether completely new to ISO or a seasoned professional, this toolkit offers value. Newbies gain practical guidance, while seasoned teams benefit from advanced analytics and goal-setting features. It's a versatile solution designed for growth, feedback, and continuous improvement. Why wait to elevate your business? With our general-purpose management review, Path to Quality template, you'll gain clarity, efficiency, and endless opportunities to improve. Start today and join the league of businesses excelling in quality management. Click the link below and begin your journey to ISO success now. See all of our ISO management review toolkits at our store on msi-international.com. Management reviews can be a backdoor to implementing any of the ISO standards fast.